Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited. I haven't even been home from picking this box up for 5 minutes and I just instantly set up my tripod and my lights to film an unboxing. I just had this random Be Merry Erin Condren sticker from Christmas sitting on my desk, so I just slapped that over my address and I'm so excited to dive into this. So the box is a little bit banged up, which it doesn't really bother me as long as everything's okay, but I typically like to keep these boxes. So whatever, as long as the goodies inside are fine, which I'm sure they will be. I ordered on the very first pre-sale day and it's already here. Has it even been a week? No. It's been like, it shipped on Thursday and today's Monday and it's already here and I'm in Canada. So it shipped by FedEx and it was supposed to ship by DHL, but I don't know what the mix-up was with that. But there's no duty on it for Canadians who are wondering, and yeah, it came super fast. I feel like typically I've had to wait like multiple weeks in the past when Erin Condren launches new planners, but I'm not complaining. I'm just gonna open this up. Okay. So this is what it looks like on top. This is like a complete unboxing. I literally just cut the tape. So there's a cute enjoy sticker. I wish they were like lined up a bit better. Like it's never really perfectly centered and things like that, but I'm just being picky. Then there is this postcard, which would be really cute in a TN. And then I try to not rip the paper, but I'm probably not going to. Okay. The excitement is so real. Okay, so this is what my box looks like. I think I'm just gonna take everything out, and then there's not actually that many things. It was a tame order. I'm gonna take this all out and then we'll go through it. Okay, so this is everything that I got. This was a freebie, the reusable bag. Let's actually open this up. It's got this cute, oh, it's so glittery, elastic to keep it tight in my purse. Oh, it's a good size. Like it's pretty big. That's great. I always run into the grocery store for something and then I never have a bag. So that is really cool. How am I ever gonna fold this back up? Is this too bright? Maybe a little bit. Not better? I don't even know what to say. I'm just so excited. Okay, that's not bad to fold. Is it just rolled? We're going with it. Of course, it's like one of those things that once you open it, it never goes back to the same, but I mean, that wasn't that hard. And that works, and it's really compact, size of my hand. So that was a freebie for ordering. And then I got some of these Petite Planners. I think they've been out for a while, but I was interested in them, so I'll put those aside. And then our gifts to you. So there's samples. Oh my gosh, I forgot about all these. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm assuming these gifts for you are what comes in the pouch for the planner. So I'm gonna set that aside, and then I ordered some wedding sticker sheets. I'm gonna open these up. I'm so excited. How many times have I said I'm excited? So in here, there are 3 sheets. Look at the foil. For the wedding planner, I really just wanted these ones on the front, which is why I got 2. If you don't know, I am planning a wedding. I'm getting married in September, and I am using the Erin Condren wedding planner, so I thought these were really cute. I love them. I actually have like the hanger that says bride, engagement party, bridal shower, bachelorette party, honeymoon, wedding day. I really love these. So cute. Okay. So those, I got 2 packs of those. And then the other sticker sheets that came was also a freebie. Might as well open it up as well. Don't want it to ruin. I really love Erin Condren's new style of stickers. So, ooh, those are like hollow. I love them. So vacation, celebrate, time for a getaway, chill all weekend. This like amazing Erin Condren planner, llama. Yeah, these are really cute. I really love these stickers. And these are cut perfectly on like the little scalloped circle. So yeah, that was a freebie as well with the bag. And then on to the main attraction. This is my life planner for 2018-2019. And I got this really pretty cover. I love how bright and abstract it was. And then I got Ashley Thomas on it because Thomas is going to be my married last name. And I am quite excited about my new last name. Colin and I have been together for a really long time. And when we first started dating, I kind of knew that he was going to be my forever. I didn't kind of know, like I totally knew. And I was not thrilled that his last name was Thomas. But we've been together now, it'll be 7 years by the time we're married. And Thomas has totally grown on me. And I really think it sounds pretty. And hint, hint, there might be some rebranding coming to my shop in 2019. So I got just a 12-month planner. I got the vertical with the traditional silver coil. I really love silver. And yeah, it's my favorite metal. And I just don't think paying for the black is really necessary. And I just love, oh, it's bent. I just love this cover. Some people thought it was bad luck that I was getting my married name, but this planner starts in July and I'm getting married in September, so the majority of 2019 I'll be a Thomas, so that's why I did that. So then this was the card that was confused, or I was confused by. I do really love these pouches. I have quite a collection of them. I'm sure everyone has seen what's inside, but there's some compliment cards with some foil. Now I think it's too dark. Then, oh, there's another one. Oh, so there's a silver. Oh no, those are both rose gold. I thought it was gold as well, but those are really pretty. Then a coil clip if you did want to attach this into your planner, which I think I have one with a coil clip on it and it's really handy. And then, oh, my codes. I hope those weren't showing. And then some Enjoy gift labels, which are actually really, really pretty. I love these gift labels, so I will definitely use those. And then these were 20% off. Oh, it's super tiny, so I'm sure no one saw it. But yes, that is what comes in the pouch. I will do a flip through of this planner now, and then I will go through the Petite Planners. So this is the new, I don't remember what they're calling it, like the hashing. I don't know, I do really like it. The opening page, I think I'm gonna sell, or if I don't sell them, I'm gonna make one for myself that is a foil sticker that says my name, because I've never written my name there on any of my planners. Ooh, I do really love this print. And I don't know if I said it, but I did get the neutral. I need to get some brainstorming ideas of what to do in this section because I never use it. And it looks like the main difference is they went back to the lined note pages instead of the ones that had the circles, which I did make kits for the circles, but I never really used my note pages. And then there is this little month at a glance for the next month. Oh, trucks. Is it garbage day? And so that's basically the same. And then I'm kind of disappointed that the dots are still a thing. If you're not familiar with the neutral, let's see if you can zoom in. There, you can totally see the dots. So I'm not the biggest fan of the dots, but that's okay. The main change really in the weekly spread is the little asterisk is black instead of white, but the paper feels amazing. Everything looks perfect. I will flip through, just make sure all the weeks and stuff are in order. Oh, and this is dented too. Darn. So I guess it did get smushed by the box. Like, I mean, it's nothing to worry about, but I'm just being a perfectionist. Can we see? Come on, FedEx, be more careful with my Erin Condren packages. It's just bent a little. I'm sure it'll straighten out, or I would bend it within using it throughout the year. So yeah, that's what the planner looks like all the way to June of next year. I never get the 18 months anymore. I used to, but now since I always get the planner the next year, I don't really find there's a point. So it'll go all the way to June, and then next year the planner will start in July. So at the back here it says notes, some line paper, some dot grid, some cute coloring pages, this contacts page, I believe that's new. This in the coming year for 2020, that seems crazy that I'm looking at dates in 2020. And then some of these foiled stickers, which I always forget these are in the back of the planner. Let me grab my planner from last year. Oh gosh, I'm in pain, you guys. My back is really bad. Oh, they were very similar. This is last year's planner. And I totally forgot about them. Is there labels? Oh no, there's some of those cute ones that I love. Oh my gosh, I love these. And the paper feels nice. Sorry, I just got very excited. And my battery is flashing. I really love these. I might actually rip this out. But then there's just one sheet of labels, and then this rose gold pocket with the perpetual calendar, which I never use. But that is the Life Planner. This is the vertical neutral for 2018-2019. See, that always falls out in the back. It's not really practical, that back pocket. And I love it so much. So that is the start, and then I have my Petite Planners that I have to go through if my battery holds up. So I got the meal planner, the travel journal, and the wellness log. We'll start with the meal planner. My goal is to actually use these. This is actually bigger and sturdier than I thought. So it's really pretty. It's got some gold foil on it. And then, I don't think it'll lay flat, but meal planner. So it has Sunday through Saturday, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a shopping list. Garbage truck, go away. And then meal prep strategy, and then I don't know how many of these pages it has. Quite a few. So my goal is to actually be better at meal planning. Oh my gosh, more stickers. I'm so excited. I didn't really look into these too much. I need to stop saying it. I'm excited. And then at the back here it says dinner party meal plan. Drinks, appetizers, main dishes, side dishes, desserts, guest name, allergies, shopping list, cooking schedule. Don't know how many of those are. Quite a few sheets. And then there is some price tracker. I will never use this price tracker. I use the app Flip on my phone to keep track of deals and sales and things like that. And then a recipe log, which actually is pretty handy because there are some recipes I go back to all the time. And then a conversion chart, which is really cool because US and UK recipes always use fluid ounces and ounces instead of pounds and things like that. So that'll be handy. And then in the back there's a pocket here, and then some more of these really cute stickers that I'm clearly obsessed with. So that is the meal planner. I will post on my Instagram what I think about this and what it kind of looks like when I'm using it. Then I got the wellness log, which right now I can't work out at all because I am having back issues like I just mentioned. I got down on the floor. I don't know how I'm going to get back up, but I have low back problems right now and I can't work out until it's better. But starting point, so clothing size, waist, hip, starting weight, different dimensions, the goal, and then it has the activity, water intake, steps, hours slept, and then it looks like a meal tracker, which I guess is kind of redundant with the meal planner if I do that, but I guess maybe I could plan. I don't know, I'll have to figure out how I'm going to make this work, but my plan was to regularly track my gym classes and things that I go to, but obviously I won't be able to start that until I can get back in the gym. Then there's monthly progress, so it's same as the beginning, wellness goal, plans for the next month. And it just looks like it repeats itself, so that's really cool. And some blank notes pages in the back, and then some more really cute rose gold stickers, which will be really cool. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use this, but my main idea when I looked at it quickly online was just tracking my workout classes that I was going to go to. So that is the wellness log. And then the last one I got was the travel journal. And this is really pretty. Always take the scenic route. I hope after the wedding is over that I can plan some pretty extensive trips. So reservations and to-dos, packing list, places to visit, landmark entertainment shops, restaurants, the itinerary for a 7-day trip, and then it says daily adventures, which this is the part I really loved. So you can put the weather, what day of the week it was, what you saw, what you wore, your meals, favorite moments, expenses, things like that. I think this would be really cool to pack instead of bringing like a big planner to keep track of everything you're doing on your trip and then coming home and being able to memory plan. So that goes on for the majority of the travel log. And then, so it's just 7-day trips that it has. So I think maybe like 4 7-day trips, 5 7-day trips can fit in here. And there's some places to visit again in the back, to landmarks, entertainment, shops, restaurants, and the same on this page. And this is next time. And then some dot grid, and then some really cute gold stickers. So yeah, these are the Petite Planners. I do really like the idea of them. I'm gonna see how practical they are and if I actually use them. This one will get used for a while, but I do really like all of them. And of course, I love the main attraction, my new life planner for 2018-2019. And then I do really love these wedding stickers, as well as the free stickers that came, as well as the shopping bag. So this was a perfect Erin Condren order, and I am so thrilled with everything. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this unboxing and haul video. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the planners, and I will be happy to answer them for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe. I know my videos have not been regular, but hoping I can get back into it. And I will see you all very soon. Hope you have a great day. Bye!